Okay, so here's the cheapest way to soundproof a room. Just go to Walmart, get you some floor tiles and put them on your wall. Get you some caulk, and you don't have to. You just have to. They're already self-sticking. You just you peel the paper off the back, put them on the wall. But before you put them on the wall, put a few dots of silicone or caulk or whatever kind of caulk you want to use. That way that creates like a space, You could just probably tape them, just peel them and put them on the wall, but I'd use the caulk so it holds better. But you can do this in an hour, less than an hour. And you don't have to fill up a whole wall. You can just fill up a space between two doors or under a window or above a window or side of a window. I'd put this on one wall between the door and the closet door. And the square footage is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 30 square foot, it looks like. And it made a huge difference. I'm actually going to do another wall, but this is way cheaper than mass loaded vinyl. You could also do wood, I guess, but I think the reason this works because the backing is like a rubber piece on the back. $19, $20 to soundproof your room. It really works. I'm not sure which kind I bought, but it has to work no matter what it is. There's 15 square foot right there, a piece of wood, self-adhesive vinyl flooring, but you can put that on the wall, decorate your wall, and I'll promise you your room will be more quiet. I think I knocked down at least 20 decibels. I don't hear anything hardly at all now. It's cheapest way to soundproof a room. Putting flooring on the wall at first seems kind of weird sounding, but once you try it, you'll probably do the whole house, to be honest with you. You'll never have to paint again, put it that way. And this is on an interior wall. This is not even on the exterior wall, and it worked fine. So what it's doing is it's muffling the sound. There's no echo. I guess the echo is what was causing the sound to sound like it was louder. So there you go. You don't have to spend all that money on mass load vinyl and hang stuff from the ceiling and all that. Just get you some tiles and peel them and put them on the wall.